not transportation. This is domination disguised as luxury. What you're about to witness is not an RV, not a camper, and not even a motorhome in the traditional sense. This is a statement on wheels. The Rolls-Royce Concept Mansion Motorhome is what happens when absolute opulence refuses to stay parked in one place. Welcome back to drivetrain, where we don't explore vehicles that follow rules. We explore machines that rewrite them. From the very first glance, this concept makes it clear that it was never designed to blend in. The exterior presence is massive, elegant, and intimidating in a way only Rolls-Royce can achieve. The proportions feel architectural rather than automotive, with a long, commanding body, ultra-smooth surfaces, and signature Rolls-Royce design language stretched to a scale rarely seen on the road. The iconic grille stands tall at the front like a throne, crowned by the spirit of ecstasy, instantly signaling that this machine exists in a class far above anything else. This isn't a motorhome that looks rugged or adventurous. It looks royal. It looks untouchable. Every exterior line is intentional. The paint finish appears liquid, reflecting light with a depth that feels handcrafted rather than sprayed. The wheels are oversized, turbine-inspired, and designed to glide silently rather than aggressively attack terrain. This is not about off-road brutality. This is about presence, silence, and authority. Even when parked, it feels like it owns the space around it. Then the doors open, and reality shifts. Stepping inside the Rolls-Royce Concept Mansion, Motorhome feels less like entering a vehicle and more like walking into a private luxury estate that just happens to move. The interior is designed around space, calm, and absolute comfort. Every surface is wrapped in the finest materials imaginable. Hand-stitched leather, polished wood veneers, brushed metals, and custom textiles chosen not for durability alone, but for emotional impact. This space doesn't feel engineered. It feels curated. The main living area is expansive and open, designed to feel effortless rather than crowded. Seating arrangements resemble a high-end penthouse lounge, with deep, plush sofas positioned for conversation, relaxation, or quiet reflection. Ambient lighting flows softly through the cabin, adjusting automatically to time of day, mood, and environment. Large panoramic windows stretch along the sides, allowing the outside world to be admired without ever intruding. You don't travel to escape luxury here, you travel with it. The dining space feels like something pulled straight from a private members-only club. A custom dining table emerges seamlessly from the floor or wall, surrounded by perfectly sculpted seating. Every detail is designed to feel ceremonial, from the way surfaces align to the way lighting highlights textures without glare. Meals here aren't rushed, they're experienced. The kitchen area, if it can even be called that, is fully integrated and hidden behind elegant panels when not in use. High-end appliances, custom storage, and flawless finishes ensure that functionality never disrupts the visual harmony of the space. This is luxury that refuses to look practical even while being fully capable. Move deeper inside, and the private quarters redefine what mobile living means. The bedroom is not compact. It's indulgent. A full-size luxury bed takes center stage, surrounded by soft lighting, acoustic insulation, and climate control systems tuned for absolute comfort. This isn't a place to sleep because you're tired. This is a place designed to make you never want to leave. Storage is discreet, integrated into the architecture of the room rather than added as an afterthought. The bathroom completes the mansion experience. Finished with premium stone, metallic accents, and spa-level fixtures, it feels like something you'd expect in a 5-star hotel, not a vehicle. A full shower, luxury sink, and intelligent systems manage water, temperature, and ventilation silently in the background. Nothing here feels mechanical. Everything feels effortless. And yet, beneath all this calm and elegance lies serious engineering. While Rolls-Royce remains famously discreet about technical details, the Concept Mansion Motorhome is expected to feature a next-generation electric or hybrid powertrain, delivering near-silent motion and smooth, uninterrupted acceleration. This isn't about speed. It's about glide. The sensation of moving without feeling movement at all. Advanced suspension systems would ensure that even imperfect roads feel perfectly flat, isolating occupants from vibration, noise, and stress. The cockpit, true to Rolls-Royce philosophy, is designed to make driving feel optional. Digital displays are clean, minimal, and intuitive. Controls are placed where instinct expects them to be. Assistance systems, navigation, and vehicle management operate quietly in the background, reducing driver workload to the absolute minimum. This is a vehicle designed to be driven or chauffeured with equal grace. The Rolls-Royce Concept Mansion Motorhome isn't for adventurers chasing dirt trails or extreme terrain. It's for individuals who want freedom without friction. People who want to travel without compromise. People who believe that luxury should not be left behind when the journey begins. This concept represents a future where mobility doesn't demand sacrifice, where movement enhances lifestyle instead of disrupting it. It's a rolling estate, a private sanctuary, and a declaration that luxury has no fixed address. And if vehicles like this redefine how you see the future of travel, if you believe that engineering and elegance should always move together, then you already know what to do. This is Drivetrain, where we explore machines built for those who expect more from every mile. Make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay with us. Because what comes next only gets more extreme.